All right, for this word problem, it says 35% of K liters of acid are added to 65% of W liters of water. Write an algebraic expression. So that's important for the total volume of the solution. So the word expression means there will be no equal signs. We're not actually solving this. We're just writing it. So we're going to be looking for the total. So we know the total is going to be the acid plus the water. So we need to figure out how to write this. So for acid, we know acid is going to be the letter K, and there's 35% of it. So 35% written in decimal form is just 0.35. And to that, we're going to add the 65% of W, which is just 0.65 W. And that is it. That's literally all you have to do. That expression there represents the total. For the next one, it says the average daily sales amount for the past 7 days was 2.6 Q plus $3.7 per day. Write an algebraic expression, again, no equal signs, for the total sales amount in the past 8 days. So the total for the past 8 days. In fact, you know what? That is going to be a typo. That right here should read 7. So that is a typo. What we're going to do then is we are going to take what the average each day was, which is 2.6 Q plus 3.7. And to that, that's 1 day. This here represents 1 day, but we want the past 7 days. So all we have to do to that is put a 7 in front. And now we will distribute that 7. So 2.6 times 7, we will do that. That is 42. 14 plus 4 is 18. We have one number after the decimal, so we will move the decimal over once. So it is 18.2 Q plus 3.7 times 7, which would be 49. That's 21 and 4 makes 25. Again, we have one number after the decimal, so we will move our number once to make 25.9. So again, it's just distributing, and again, note the error I made with the correction. All right, the next one says, a ribbon measuring x plus 2 feet in length was cut into 2 pieces in the ratio of 2 to 11. What was the length of the longer piece? So, write your answer as an algebraic expression. So the best way to demonstrate this is I'm going to draw a piece of ribbon, and it's saying it's a ratio of 2 to 11. So if we look here, 2 to 11, we're actually saying here there are going to be 13 total pieces. There are 13 total pieces here. Because to get that, we say 2 plus 11. So if I were to split this ribbon into 13 pieces, let's see how many I got here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So we have 13 pieces here. 2 of them would make up the short piece, and then the other 11 would represent the longer piece. So you have the short piece and you have the long piece, but a total of 13 pieces. So this whole ribbon, the whole thing is represented by, let me change the colors here. The whole ribbon is represented by x plus 2. So the whole thing. And we just want to know the length of the longer piece. So in order to do that, there are 11 pieces here that make up the longer piece out of a total of 13. So we would write it as 11 over a total of 13 times the entire ribbon. So again, 11, which makes up the longer piece, out of the total times the actual length. So that is what will give you the length of the longer piece. So to do that, we will jump. So that's just 11 over 13x plus 22 over 13. And that will be the answer there. Last one, it says Jerry bought a computer for 22% off from the list price. So 22% off. The list price is P dollars. Sales tax was 4%. How much did he pay for the computer, including the sales tax? Write your answer as an algebraic expression. So the important thing to remember here is the order. We have the list price. To this list price, we are going to subtract the 22% discount. Then, from that, we will apply sales tax by multiplying. So this is kind of the order. The sales tax will get applied to the discount. After the discount, that's when the sales tax goes into effect. So, in order to do this, we will just say there's a 1 in front of the P. There's a 1 in front of the P. So, really, we are going to be doing 1.00 or 100% minus the discount. So if you take the discount away, you are only actually paying 0.78 of the price. So in reality, you only have to pay 78% of the actual listed price. Now, to this, we have to figure out the sales tax amount. So the sales tax is applied to this. And the sales tax is 4%. So we will times it by 0.04, not 0.4. 0.4 would be 40%. So we will do 8 times 4 is 32. 28, 29, 30, 31. Then we have 0, and that's just 0 and 0. Add that up, we get 312. Now we want to move our decimal point 1, 2, 3, 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you have to fill in a 0. So the computer is going to cost us 0.78p. And then the sales tax will actually be 0.0312p, which is a little more than 3%. A little more than 3%. And what we want to do here now is we want to add these two numbers. So we want to take these two things and we're going to add them. So we would do 0.78, 0.0312, and we will add those together. So we get 2, 1, 11, carry the 1, and we have our decimal. So even though we are discounted 22%, when sales tax is added in, we actually end up paying about 81% of the actual price of the computer. And there's actually a couple other ways to do that one I can show you in class as well, but this is one of them. If you got questions, see me. Well, see you later. Bye.